Today, I'm taking a quick look at the Xiaomi Civi 6 Pro, and the big question is simple. Is this actually worth your money in 2026? On paper, this phone is punching above its weight. It's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9500, which basically pushes it into near-flagship territory, not your typical mid-range chip. You also get a large 6.83-inch 1.5K AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. And honestly, scrolling and watching content feels super smooth. Now the cameras are where things get interesting. You've got a 50mm main sensor, a 50mm periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom, and a 12mm ultra-wide. Plus, a 50mm selfie camera up front. So this is clearly built for people who care about photography. Price starts around CNY 3,000, roughly $420, which is pretty aggressive for what you're getting. The only real downside? It's mostly a China-focused release, so global buyers may need to import it. Overall, strong value, if you can actually get it.